Very good morning, 8th class students. Our running topic is direct and inverse proportion. So from that today I am going to explain 10.1 exercise problems. Listen to. The cost of 5 meters of a particular quality cloth is 210 rupees. The cost of 5 meters of a particular cloth is 210 rupees. Then you have to find the cost of 2 meters cloth, 4 meters cloth, and also 10 meters cloth, and also 13 meters cloth. The cost of 5 meters of a particular quality cloth is 210 rupees. Here I know the cost of 5 meters. But you have to find what is the cost of 2 meters cloth, 4 meters cloth, 10 meters and also 13 meters. Solution. Just I am making into as a table. Here first column cloth in meters x and y. What about the y? Cost. The cost of 5 meters cloth is 210 rupees. You have to find the cost to 2 meters and also 4 meters and also 10 meters and also 13 meters you have to find. I don't know this value. Okay. Cloth and cost always direct proportion. For example, if 2 meters cloth is 10 rupees. Then what about the 4 meters cloth? 20 rupees. If the length of the cloth increases, cost of the cloth is also increases. So cost and cloth both are direct proportion. So here what we can write x proportional to y. So I am going to find the value of the first column. In first column, what about the x1? 5 meters. x1 is equal to 5. Then what about the y1? y1 is equal to 210. The cost of 5 meters cloth is 210 rupees. Then what about the x2? 2 meters. Here I don't know the y2, means I don't know the value of 2 meters cloth. What we can write here? x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. x1 means 5 by 210 is equal to 2 by k. After doing the cross multiplication, what we get? K is equal to 2 into 210 by 5. Here 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are is equal to 84 rupees. So the cost of 2 meters cloth is how much? 84 rupees. Then what about the third one? Second one taking. In second one say x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 10. x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 210. Then what about the x2? I need the value of 4 meters. So 4. y2 I don't know. I need the cost of 4 meters cloth. Same formula. x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. What about x1 here? 5. 5 by 210 is equal to 4 by k. See, 5k is equal to 4 into 210. Then k is equal to 4 into 210 by 5. 5 4s are 5 2s are 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. How much? 168 rupees. The cost of 4 meters cloth is 168 rupees. Thereafter I need the cost of 10 meters cloth. x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 210, x2 is equal, I need the cost of 10 meters cloth. Then y2 I don't know, rental is k. x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. x1 means 5 by 2 10 is equal to, I need the cost of 10 meters cloth. So 10 by k, cross multiplication. 5k is equal to 10 into 210. Then k is equal to 10 into 210 by 5. 5 4s are 5 2s are is equal to how much? 420 rupees. So the cost of 10 meters cloth is 420 rupees. Next, I need the cost of 13 meters cloth. So x1 is equal to same. So the cost of 5 meters cloth is 210 rupees. Now I need the cost of 13 meters cloth. So 30 by y2 means I am taking as k. What is the formula here? We can write x1 by y1 is equal x2 by y2. Here the cost of 5 meters cloth is 210 rupees. Cost of 2 meters cloth is 84 rupees. Now I need the cost of 13 meters cloth. So whatever the x1 here, 5 by 210 is equal to 13 by k. So after the cross multiplication we get 5k is equal to 13 into 210. Then k is equal to 13 into 210 by 5. 5 4s are 5 2s are 13 2s are 26. Is nothing but 546 rupees. So the cost of 13 meters cloth is 546 rupees. See, monthly average expenditure of a family with 4 members to 2,800. So in a family there are 4 members are there. So what is the expenditure of the family? 2,800. Then you have to find the average expenditure of a family with 3 members. Here number of family members are decreased. It means the expenditure is also decreased. For example, here 4 members are there, 2,800. If you take 10 members family, expenditure will be increased. So family members and expenditure always directly proportional to each other. If family members are increases, their expenditures are also increase. If family members are decreases, expenditure is also decreases. So here we can use direct proportion. First I am going to take a box. In the box, first I am taking family members and expenditure. With 4 members, 2,800. Then what is the expenditure to 3 members family? I don't know. Let this be K. Here X and Y. X is directly proportional to Y. What we can use here? X1 by Y1 is equal to X2 by Y2. What about the X1 here? 4 members family. 2,800 is equal to 3 by K. So after the cross multiplication, what we get here? 3 into 2,800 by 4. 4 7s are 0 0. So what is the expenditure here? 2,100. A vertical pole of 5.6 meters height. What is the height of the pole? 5.6 meters. Cost a shadow of 32 meters long. Here one pole there. The cost of length of the shadow is 32 meters. The length of the shadow by another pole is 10.5 meters. Here length of the shadow given. You have to find height of the pole. In second condition, the height of a pole which shadow 5 meters long. In second condition, length of the shadow given, you have to find height of the pole. Here 5.6 meters long pole makes 3.2 meters length of shadow. Then what is the length of the shadow of 10.5 meters height pole? Here first question. X1 is equal to how much? 5.6 meters. Then Y1 is equal to 3.2 meters. What about the X2 is equal to 10.5 meters. I don't know the shadow of the length of 10.5 meters pole. Let that should be a K. Here you have to find the value of K. Then what is the formula here? X1 by Y1 is equal to X2 by Y2. What about X1? 5.6 by 3.2 is equal to 10.5 by K. Here decimal cancel. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4, 16. 4 4s are 16. Then 2 4s are 2 7s are. So 7 by 4 is equal to 10.5 by K to the cross multiplication. Then K is equal to 10.5 into 4 by 7. 7 ones are 7, remains 3, 35. 7 5s are 35. Now K is equal to how much? 6 meters. So length of the shadow is 6 meters. Next question. What about the x1? x1 is equal to 5.6 and y1 is equal to 3.2. Here x2 means not there, so let it be k. And y2 is equal to 5 meters. In this condition, you have to find the height of the pole. x1 by y1 is equal to x2 by y2. Then 5.6 by 3.2 is equal to k by 5. Decimal cancel. 8 4s are 32, 8 7s are 56. So 7 by 4 is equal to k by 5. Then k is equal to 7 into 5 by 4. 35 by 4. 4 8s are 32. Is nothing but 8.75 meters. Fill the following table. Here, number of apples and also cost of apple. So find the fill the box.